Hi guys, today I have a matching Whirlpool washer and electric dryer set, and right now it's getting started adding water, and it's going to continue to add water until it's got that deep water wash full submersion going. It's got the center agitator with the king size capacity, so huge capacity. It's such a pretty good size load of towels. It looks kind of small in there. I've got just an extra one of these little lid strikers here, so I put it right here and it thinks the lid's closed, otherwise this would be locked. You wouldn't be able to open this lid up, but it's, like I said, sensing the load still. It stopped about 2-3 times and continuing to add water. Getting started. You can see in here though, agitation sounds great. Machine's moving forward, so I'll come back once it's all the way full. We're going to show you that it drains the water properly out, has a nice fast smooth final spin cycle. Then we'll move over and show you the dryer as well. So we'll let this fill all the way up and we'll come back. Alright, I think it's done adding water, just about full submersion there. And how this agitator and plate works on the bottom is it's going to force these clothes up the middle, down the side, and then just in this blooming action. And these clothes are agitating on themselves as well as with the center agitator here. So that fin more or less is just to push those clothes. Actually, it brings them up, and the fins on the outside push them down and around. So that's kind of how that system works. That, of course, I don't use HE soap when I do these demonstrations. I just use like a cap full of bleach. But if you had the HE soap in there, it'd be pretty sudsy. It does a really good job saturating those clothes, working in, and getting everything nice and clean. So it's a little different style. You can pause and read through there if you want, just kind of see how this new HE style works. But you do get the option on this one to do the deep water wash, deep water, or you can do the auto sensing if you have really light loads is what I would use that for. Light whites. Real delicate items, you could use that. Otherwise, I just go deep water wash, normal, and how long it's going to sit there and agitate is what you're going to be setting this for. So if you have something that's super dirty and you want it to sit here and do this portion of the cleaning for a long time to get it extra clean, you'd set that on heavy. This has nothing to do with how much water it's going to use. Of course, you have your temperature. You have a ton of different options here on your cycles for whichever way you want to get it done, but this is how the wash cycle works here. So we'll let it move out of the wash cycle and come back. Alright, we're moving out of the wash cycle into the rinse cycle, and you can hear that drain running nice and fast as it pumps the water out. It's going to spin to extract the used up water, and it's going to fill back up with fresh water for the rinse cycle. Then we'll be on to the final spin cycle, which I'll come back for next and show you a nice, fast, smooth final spin cycle. Alright, it's on its first spin out. Now in the final spin, it'll actually be a little bit faster than this, but I just wanted to show you that first rinse spin. Nice and fast, smooth operation. But next we will come back once it moves over into the final spin and is spinning as fast as it's going to spin. Alright, final spin cycle. This is as fast as it's going to spin here. You can see, spinning nice and fast. Of course, at home, once again, this would be locked. You wouldn't be able to open this up. But as you can see, it sounds great. Nice smooth operation. As soon as that's done here, we're going to switch over and show you the matching electric dryer. Okay, our washer's clean, cleared out. You can see, nice king size capacity with agitator on that one there, about the biggest you can get for this style washer and dryer. Now we've got this one going time dry, high temperature. You can turn your cycle signal on or off there, and I'm going to show you that it is in fact heating like it's supposed to. So right in between those two red dots, takes a surface temperature measurement. Go ahead and open this up. You see the clothes are tumbling right inside that heating element tube. It's going to be nice and hot. It's where the heat pumps in. Hot air mixes with your clothes and then exits right there, which is where the lint trap is. It catches it and it goes down out the back of your dryer. That's why it's super important to make sure that your lint trap is clean and cleared out for each and every load. And push to start. And when you have this hooked up in your laundry room, you'll have the vent hose on the back of the dryer, so you won't hear the blower motor as much as you do out here. I don't have that out here. Just hear the clothes kind of quietly tumbling around. But that's it. These are good to go. We'll get them listed up for sale. If you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out. I do appreciate you taking the time to watch my video. Thanks. You guys have a great day.